In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Google Drive trigger to n8n. If you're new to n8n, it's an amazing workflow automation tool that allows you to connect various services with ease, enabling you to automate repetitive tasks without any coding knowledge. Google Drive, as you may already know, is a powerful cloud storage service where you can store and manage your files online. By connecting Google Drive to n8n, you can automate processes like receiving notifications whenever a file is updated. Now let's get started on how you can set up this connection. Firstly, you'll want to open n8n. If you're using it for the first time, just navigate to n8n.io and follow the instructions to set it up on your local machine or server. Once you have n8n open, you'll start by creating a new workflow. This is essentially a blank canvas where you'll build your automation. You'll see an option to click on New Workflow. Go ahead and click it. This gives you a fresh slate to begin your task automation journey. Next, you'll need to add your very first step to the workflow. This step is crucial as it will define what triggers the workflow to start running. Usually, a trigger occurs from an event, like uploading a new file or modifying an existing one. So click Add First Step. Now to create this trigger based on a Google Drive event, you will need to add the Google Drive trigger node. In your workflow canvas, use the search bar provided to look for the Google Drive trigger. You can do this by typing in Google Drive trigger. Once it pops up in your search results, click to select it. You'll notice the trigger node appearing on your workflow canvas, ready to be configured. With the node selected, you now need to connect your Google account to it via OAuth 2 credentials. OAuth 2 is essential because it authorizes n8n to access data on your Google Drive without having direct access to your login credentials. So, choose the Google Drive OAuth 2 credential option in the dropdown. If you haven't done it before, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Google account. Remember, this is a secure process, and your credentials won't be stored directly on n8n. Just follow the steps on the screen to complete the sign-in and authorization. Now it's time to configure the trigger settings. This part ensures that n8n reacts to specific changes in your Google Drive. You'll notice several settings. First, set the event type to File Updated. This will prompt the workflow to run each time a file is modified. Next, for the drive setting, you can select either My Drive or any applicable shared drive you have access to. This decision depends on where the files you want to monitor are located. Lastly, under Folder, specify which folder within your drive you wish to keep track of. By selecting a particular folder, the trigger will only monitor the file updates within that zone, allowing you to keep your workflow focused and organized. And there you have it. Your Google Drive trigger is all set up, and n8n is ready to automatically monitor and respond to file changes. Whether you're getting notified of updates or kicking off a more complex sequence of tasks, the possibilities with n8n and Google Drive are vast. Feel free to explore further automation possibilities, and happy automating!